I'm here at Park Inn by Radisson at Cardiff Central in the city centre. I booked a double room, but by the looks of it, it isn't a double room. It looks like a family room, so let's have a look, shall we? Right, so as you can see, it's a double bed and a single bed. So we've got bag stand there, wardrobe which I've just put my coat in. We've got a fan, a ironing board with hangers and shelving, and a safe. Got an empty cupboard up there. Let's check the bed, shall we? Oh, not much light, no lighting on the thingy. Let me just check this lighting. Right. So let's check the bed, shall we? Pillows are firm. So you've got mattress topper. You've got mattress. Just took the topper off. So yeah, it's all clean. A bit of a mark on the headboard there, but expected. It's actually wood, so it's been chipped basically and scuffed. It's like on that side. There's a towel there on the bed. You can see scuff there as well. Yeah. Whole telephone by the looks of it. So information there. Bedside table. Let's have a look at this single bed, shall we? Yeah, clean. That's my view. So across the road from the utility arena. A little bit of stainage there. I don't know if the camera's picking up or not. So see if these windows open. Yeah. So, oh good. Then we've got a lamp here. Try to stick that on as well. And then old electric heater. Does it work though? Switch it on. Got to plug it in first. No, don't work. Well, that's not great then, is it? So, no heating in this room. But it's not too bad. It don't feel cold, considering it is bitter out there. And then we've got TV. And try and switch it on. Yeah, TV does work. So, non-smoking room. Call and collect menu. Right, whatever that is. So you've got a double plug socket there with USB there. Got another socket there. Got a cupboard here, which you can't open. And then you've got drawers. Tea, coffee. Never heard of these ones. Pure green tea, twinings. normal everyday tea, milk, clean cups, and even the kettle's clean. And you've got another double socket there. Some more drawers. Hair dryer. Another drawer. Let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? Right, so, ooh, bit of a step there, but it's a ramp, so a bit lethal that. Right, so we've got hand and body hand wash with aloe, and what's that say? Your choice regarding towels. Got 3 glasses there, a sink, tissues, and a bin, and sanitary towel bags, and a shaver's plug, towel rail, toilet rolls, and toilet's clean. And then we've got a bath mat there, towel up there. Shower screen, and we've got some conditioner, shampoo and body wash, all that over there. There's a shower queen. Yeah, it's clean. Right, you down, let's have a look. The pressure shower. Yeah, good pressure. It's a bit dangerous. Just caught that. Could have cut myself in. Yeah, there should be something there. But of course, yeah, I'm there. So, but yeah, bath looks green and the grab rail there. And of course your towel for getting out. So, I'm going to hook on the back of the door. So, and I forgot to say as well about the chair. It's like leather type of chair as well. So, there's also a bin, and you've got recycling section and general waste section, which is pretty good. And we've got this drawer as well over this side. Nothing in there either. So, yeah. So, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. And I hope you are. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.